Hey guys, I'm back. Sorry, but I forgot to review the controller that came in the box. So to make it up, I'm gonna review these two games that I got with the PlayStation and an extra controller. This extra controller is bluish. Also, on the back of my phone, I put the white sticker on my case. And my phone case kind of looks like the PS4. So haha. So yeah, I'm gonna be reviewing these three extra things. But also, this was tore off by my little brother. So first, I'm gonna take a look at the games. First one, I'm gonna take a look at this game called Trails Fusion. Oh, it's already opened. Okay, I don't need this then. So yeah, this is rated E for everyone, 10 and up. When I first took a look at this, hold on, this light needs to move. When I first took a look at this case, I thought it was upside down, or something was wrong with it, but no, because that's the guy's head, and then that's his body, and that's his legs and arms, and those are his feet. So yeah, on the back, it has some extra stuff. Platform racing at its best. And then language I don't know. And then right here, competition everywhere. So I'm getting a lot of skate, like the skate series games vibe from this thing right here. Because it looks like it's free roam. And then endless custom fan-generated tracks. Ooh, that's good. 1 to 4 players. 1 to 4 players. 535. Wait, no, is that 5,350 megabytes minimum? HD video output, DualShock 4 remote play, 2 to 4 network players, and online play. So, that's Trails Fusion. Now let's take a look at Lego City Undercover right here. Now, when I first saw this game right here, it looked really interesting. WB Games in the corner. E for everyone, 10 and up. Play with a friend in local split screen. Collect and customize over 100 vehicles. Don multiple disguises with unique skills and abilities. So that's interesting. So 1 to 2 players as usual for Lego games. 14 gigabytes minimum, remote play, and DualShock 4. So yeah, I think this will be a really good game. Now onto the controller, which is what probably most of you wanted to look at. So we got a few stuff stopping me from opening it. What's the point of this tape? Also, if you're using a knife, never cut towards yourself. That's a very bad idea. Well, that was useless to cut the things on the top. Okay, we got a little manual thing right here. DualShock 4 wireless controller. And here's the controller. Ooh, this is heavier than the one that came out of the box. So, you can obviously tell this is more blue. And these little hand joysticks, they feel like they're made out of something else. And we got the little touchpad right here. And the buttons are really good. I like the triggers and the okay, they have a little headphone jack on the bottom. And this thing which says exit or whatever, that's weird. And we got the little LED light. And this controller has a little, I don't know if you can see it, but like this controller has sort of like a carbon fiber look to it. So then sharing options. So I'm gonna go put this down with the other PlayStation junk. Oh yeah, hey, this is still there. Yeah, this is what my room's looking like right now. With this mess right here. Whoops. So, yeah, that's all for today's video. See you in the next one. Goodbye.